Hello friends, today we will be learning how to make bundi raita kadhi. So to make bundi raita kadhi, we have taken bundi raita. So in bundi raita we are adding around 2 tablespoons of besan. So we have added around 2 tablespoons of besan. Now we will mix it well. Make sure no lumps are formed. Tablespoons of oil in a pan and add asafoetida, one teaspoon of mustard seeds, about 8 to 10 seeds of fenugreek seeds. Now add curry leaves, one teaspoon of red chili powder. As soon as you add red chili powder, give it a stir. Add the raita. You can add the turmeric if you want yellow color of the curry, but we do not want the yellow color of the curry. That's why we are not adding turmeric to it. Stir it well. Keep the flame on high. You have to give it a stir until it boils. You have to add more water. Add at least 1 more cup of water. Stir it well. If you feel that your curry is thick, then add more water as per the consistency you want. And stir it continuously till it boils. Now curry started boiling, so we can reduce the flame now. Add half teaspoon of salt because we have added some water, so we need salt to compensate the water. And your raita already contains the salt, so remember that. Add salt if required only. Add half teaspoon of garam masala. Stir it well. Keep boiling it for 5 minutes on low flame. So after 5 minutes, our curry is ready. Now we can serve our curry. So now we have served the curry. Now you can garnish it with some cilantro leaves or coriander leaves. And you can serve it. You can enjoy your curry with roti, paratha, rice, naan or puris. So this is really delicious and yummy, and it is very fast to cook if you are in hurry to make something fast. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to our channel for many more delicious recipes and like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.